प्रेडिक्टर पावर्ड बाय 1x बैट में आपका स्वागत है। 51st मैच तक हम पहुंच चुके हैं। भारत ने पिछले मैच में ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ आज का मैच है। पिछले मैच में उन्होंने अफगानिस्तान को हराया। इतना बेहतरीन तरीके से इंडिया खेल रहा है और आगे बढ़ रहा है वर्ल्ड कप की ट्रॉफी की तरफ। इस पूरे मैच पर चर्चा करने के लिए, आज के पूरे मैच के आंखों देखे हाल सुनाने के लिए, पूरे प्रेडिक्शन करने के लिए हमारे साथ दोनों गेस्ट यहाँ मौजूद हैं, जो है नोएल डेविड, फॉर्मर इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेटर। नोएल, आपका स्वागत है आज के प्रोग्राम में।
Thank you, Damni. Very good evening to everybody, and it's nice to see come back to Sam TV.
Good evening, Noel. Noel, you can hear me properly?
Yeah, of course, clear and loud.
Perfect. I'm happy to get the feedback from you. अगले मेहमान को बुलाते हैं, वो है तन्मय मिश्रा, फॉर्मर केन्या इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेटर। तन्मय, आपका स्वागत है आज के प्रोग्राम में।
Thank you, Damini. How are you, Damini?
I am doing good.
And good evening to everyone. Hi, David sir.
Hi, Tanmay. How are you?
God's grace, sir. सब चल रहा है ठीक ठीक. Everyone is good back there?
Everyone are good.
Yes, everything is good. So भारत एक एक करके कदम बढ़ा चुका है। फिनाले आने वाला है कुछ दिनों में और भारत की परफॉर्मेंस दिन प्रतिदिन बहुत स्ट्रांग होती जा रही है। तो पहले प्रेडिक्शन करते हैं कि आज के मैच में आपको कितना लगता है कि वो रन्स बना पाएंगे। पिछला प्रेडिक्शन आप दोनों का बिल्कुल सही बैठा। यू बोथ सेड कि अराउंड 180 होगा पूरा, और कल देखिए सच में उन्होंने 181 बनाया था उस मैच में। तो आप आज के प्रेडिक्शन में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? नोएल, आपसे शुरू करते हैं।
देखिए, as I said, and I'll say it again, predictor में predict करना is great thing, and I think we both should get that marks 100 पे 100 मिलना है, because whatever we have said, I think it has really come out clear and loud, because I think he's also experienced playing all over the world. I have been there, so I knew what's going to happen, and I'm very happy that India came out victors yesterday, because and I'm very happy that the bold decision of taking batting first, which I mentioned, saying that no, ये wicket पे toss जीता तो पहली बार you need to go out there and bat. Why? Because we know what the wicket is going to do in the second innings. But yes, overall, if I tell that we batted initially, we batted a bit recklessly. The wickets started to fall. We lost 2 quick wickets, but thanks to Surya Kumar Yadav, we all know what kind of player he is. At right time he performs. Thanks to that little partnership with Hardik Pandya, and we got that total of 180. But let's not take the credit away from the bowlers also. They stuck to their line and length. As usual, the boom Bumrah is always comes in handy whenever we need a wicket. He comes and gives us that initial breakthrough. And then it was the spinners. And I love the way Kuldeep bowled. Yes, he got hammered a bit, but I loved his line and length. He's playing his first match on this tour. Remember that after a long time, I think a gap of at least 20 to 25 days, he's playing his first game. And I think it's not easy for a bowler to adapt really quickly. We may be professionals, we may be, this thing, but to adapt to that situation really quickly, it takes a little time, I think, a game out. But I'm very happy that he has come back into the team. He's bowled well. I think overall the spinners have been on top notch, and I love it the way the unit is performing. And today's game, if I sum it up, if I tell you, it's not going to be easy. It's going to be tough, but I always give a credit that India is in a great form. They should give a good fight back and win this game. At the same time, let's not take away the credit from the Australians also. They'll also be really gunning to go against the Indians. And as we have all waiting for this game, and I think today's game is going to be a really keen contest, and hopefully we'll watch a great match today.
Rightly said, Noel. तन्मय, चलिए थोड़ा स्टेडियम पे भी डिस्कशन कर लेते हैं। आज का स्टेडियम है डैरन सैमी नेशनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम, जो है सेंट लूसिया में। इसकी पिच के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? पिछली वाली पिच में हमने देखा कि 30 ओवर के बाद थोड़ा सा बिगड़ना शुरू हो गया था हिसाब। इसमें क्या रहता है, आप कुछ थोड़ा बताना चाहेंगे व्यूअर्स को?
देखिए, जहां तक अभी तक हमने मैचेस यहाँ देखे हैं, 200 रन बने भी हैं, 180 रन चेस भी हुआ है। कहीं ना कहीं कंसिस्टेंट रहता है विकेट। बट जब आप बार बार खेलते हो, और हमने पिछले बार भी यही जिक्र किया था, जब आप बार बार विकेटों पे खेलते हो तो कहीं ना कहीं धीमी हो जाती है विकेट। और एक चीज डेविड भाई ने भी बताया था कि अब कैसा है कि सुपर एट्स में आपको हर दूसरे दिन खेलना है, विकेट प्रिपेयर करने के लिए उतना वक्त नहीं रहता है। तो आपको है ना कहीं एज गुड एज अ बैटिंग विकेट दिस विल बी, एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर इट विल, but somewhere down the line as you proceed further in this tournament, you have to be mindful of those changes. One of the things we spoke on this medium on this platform with you, Damini, was will we see Kuldeep Yadav play?
Yes.
And that will who will be, who will, on tactical point of view, who will remain outside, who will sit outside. And I mentioned it very clearly. The only change that we will see is maybe a spinner coming in for a fast bowler. And credit to this Indian management, where we finally want the fans to also understand that no one is getting dropped from this, but this is a tactical sort of change, and you have to give them credit for them to bring Kuldeep Yadav on a wicket that was slightly sluggish was an excellent move. Siraj has been nothing but exceptional, but that is the requirement, that is the need of the team, and I hope this sort of proactive thinking goes into today's match as well. And somewhere down the line, आप wicket की बात कर रहे हो, but from an Indian point of view, I really want to tell all our viewers that they should look at this match as a knockout match, because there is no better preparation for you going into semi-finals than Australia. You are going to meet whoever you meet in the semi-finals, a quality team, and to play Australia, who've recently won the World Cup and they've been champions, we know. So
Right.
any sort of cricket that we play against them, you should be mindful that this is what you're going to get in the knockouts as well. Because if you play this as a knockout, then you're training yourself. And this wicket is another opportunity for our top order batsmen to get runs. Something that we are seeing the team come in slowly into shape from the batting point of view. Rohit got a half century in the first match. Virat Kohli has been getting some sort of match practice under his belt. Hopefully, this is, when bigger the occasion, bigger the player. We say. So I'm hoping to see them, come out and guns blazing, because this will set the tone. So far we've seen some magical performances, and it's another opportunity on a beautiful batting paradise for India to take the right step towards the back end of the tournament.
Right, Tanmay. When you have already mentioned about the preparation, Noel, I'll come back to you. Like head-to-head matches, if we talk about both the teams, India versus Australia, they have played 31 matches till the date, and 19 were like the one winning side for India, and 11 were just like won by Australia. So, what preparations they should do to come on the field and play against India and win this match to make a change? What do you think about it on the Australian front? I'm talking about right now.
Well, we all know what Aussies are made of. They're made out of steel. They plan ahead. Well ahead when they are playing India, because they know what India comes with the team which can surprise the Australians also. But the Australians will never let things go very easily. They will not matter about how many wins they have against the Indians, or Indians how many times they have beaten Australia. They will not matter. But on the given day, like today, it matters for them, and that is what the Aussies must be thinking. And they will field it 11 where they know man to man, like in football we say, it's going to be like that against the Indians today. I think each player will have to attack Bumrah. One second thing, they'll have a player who can go after the spinners. Third will be the like Maxwell or anyone coming down the line. So they plan very well against the Indians, and I think their strategy will be simple. They will play on the minds of the Indians. That's for sure. There will be mind. There will be a lot of chubbing out there who need to get the players psyched up and all. But it's going to be a keen contest, as Tanmay said. It's not going to be easy. This is going to be like a finals of the T20 World Cup. Take it as the finals, because why I'm saying is you prepare yourself like that you're going to play the finals today, so that it makes it easy. You'll have more level of concentration will be. And let's wait and watch what is going to turn up today at St. Lucius.
Tanmay and Noel, this question is for both of you, and then this is the last question actually. So let's talk about the coaches as well. Like if we talk about Indian coach Rahul Dravid and the Australian coach Andrew, what do you think is the difference between both of them, and how they are individually strong in their work, and how their training can help India or Australia team to win today? What do you think about it? Anyone can start. Noel, you want to take it, or Tanmay, you want to take it? You can just go ahead, please.
Tanmay, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Look, they both, Andrew and Rahul Dravid, they both have played a lot of cricket for their respective countries. And, they are mindful of what is required. Rahul Dravid with his first stint got India to the finals. And, that's a commendable job. And Australia won it. So I think both coaches, because they've played a lot of cricket, they've also been part of IPL, they've been a part of T20 cricket, so they know what are the requirements, and whether we like it or not, whenever you're representing an Indian side, the pressure is huge. It's just not 1.4 billion people in India. It's another billion outside India. So the expectations can never be measured, for an Indian player, and the pressure. But that being said, they've been fantastic. Coming to talk about Australian side, look, this is a side that has won a lot of ICC tournaments. They know how to win. You just spoke about some stats, and which pointed out that India is dominant. I'll tell you something. India would take not being dominant and take more trophies with them. Like win off one finals and be happy with it. This is a side that they're coming up against. Both the coaches have prepared and maintained an excellent environment for their teams. Take nothing away. They are both champions, and it's for me, it's just incredible to just watch the game on the TV and learn from them to how to keep such a squad that is demanded every time to win a game and tournaments so calm, and then when they walk on the field they play like champions. So it's just another exhibition for not only us as players and coaches around the world to learn from them.
Right, Noel.
Yeah, I think Tanmay has rightly said, but if I add on to it, if you see both the coaches, one is a medium pacer who's played for the Australia, one is a batsman, hardly played much of T20, no experience, all right, but the experience of cricket, what they have played in their life, is has so much of knowledge which they have given it out to the teams. And I think Rahul Dravid is one of the finest coaches and a finest human being which I have been associated with him. I have played with him, I played against him, but he's a super human being with great knowledge of the game. And I think he's been he is if you go to see to be honest to the viewers and to you guys, I think this T20 World Cup team, I think it was his pick. I am very sure about it because he knew what is going to happen in West Indies. He never knew about the US wickets, but he knew what's going to happen in West Indies in Super 8 because he was confident that India will qualify for the Super 8, and that's why he had most of the spinners being picked, the best of the spinners picked, because the conditions is going to suit the spinners. I think he has picked the team with mixed combinations where the team will be benefited from. I think he's done a tremendous job for the country. I think McDonald also has done a superb one. He's been a great fast bowler for Australia, and I find that these two guys, have done a great job for their own countries.
राइट, नोलन, तन्मय, मेरे पास कई सारे सवाल हैं, बट वक्त की कमी है, तो यही मुझे लगता है वाइंड अप करना पड़ेगा। भारत की इतनी बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस देखते हुए सवाल तो बनते हैं, बट अगले प्रोग्राम में पूछेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, भारत अभी आगे भी खेलेंगे। तो आप दोनों का शुक्रिया आज के प्रोग्राम में आने के लिए और अपने इनसाइट शेयर करने के लिए। नोएल डेविड एंड तन्मय मिश्रा, एक बार फिर से शुक्रिया आपका। क्रिकेट प्रेडिक्टर पावर्ड